Protecting your Chevy Colorado's truck bed from weather and theft is essential. A quality tonneau cover offers security, improved fuel efficiency, and a sleek appearance. Let's explore the top 3 tonneau covers for your Chevy Colorado. In third place, the RealTruck hard-folding truck bed. Tonneau cover provides robust protection with its durable construction. Its hard-folding design ensures your cargo remains secure, and the sleek appearance enhances your truck's look. However, some users note that installation can be a bit challenging, requiring precise alignment to ensure a proper fit. Our runner-up is the oEdRo Soft Tri-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This cover is praised for its ease of installation and affordability. The soft tri-fold design allows for quick access to your truck bed, and its lightweight material doesn't compromise on durability. Users appreciate its snug fit, though some have mentioned minor adjustments are needed during installation to achieve the best seal. Taking the top spot is the Tyger Auto Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This cover offers a perfect balance between functionality and style. Its soft roll-up design provides full bed access without removing the cover, and the marine-grade vinyl ensures long-lasting durability. Installation is straightforward, often completed in under 30 minutes, and users commend its excellent sealing, keeping the bed dry even in heavy rain. In conclusion, each of these tonneau covers offers unique benefits, but the Tyger Auto Soft Roll-Up stands out for its combination of ease of use, durability, and effective weather protection. Enhancing your Chevy Colorado with one of these covers will provide added security, improved fuel efficiency, and a polished look. Check out the products in the description, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews.